Welcome back to Watching Beautiful Day. This is Weather HQ. The Philippine Red Cross continues to strengthen its mission of protecting lives, not just through volunteerism, but also through practical tools that help families prepare for emergencies. One of these is the PRC SafeCard, a one-year personal accident assistance program designed to provide support during accidents, health crises, and disasters. To know more about this, we're joined via Zoom by Dr. Gwendolyn Pang, the Secretary General of the Philippine Red Cross. Magandang umaga, Dr. Pang. Thank you so much for joining us here on Beautiful Day.
Hi, good morning, Paolo, and good morning to all the viewers of Bilyonaryo.
All right, let's start off first with the PRC Safeguard in terms of what it actually is and how it actually complements yung work of yung volunteers in particular, especially in yung mga communities that we can consider high risk or disaster prone po.
Yes. Well, Paolo, the Safeguard is actually a membership program of the Philippine Red Cross. So, by law, the law that created the Philippine Red Cross, RA 10072, it states there that membership to the Philippine Red Cross is open to all, regardless of their nationality, political affiliation, religious belief, race, whatever. Anyone, even foreigners in our country, can actually be members of the Philippine Red Cross. So how does it complement the work of our volunteers? Well, we do not receive a regular appropriation from the government, and we need to raise our own funds. So this is for us to be able to generate resources, for us to be able to deliver the services that we have to provide to the people. And to do the services, we need the volunteers to help us do the services. So the funds that we raise here will actually help, our volunteers, we train, we pay them, and also mobilize them in the event of a major crisis. At the same time, when our volunteers become members of the Philippine Red Cross, they also get protected. But this safeguard is actually open even you're not a Red Cross volunteer. No? It's open to all. But since if our volunteers are actually covered by the accident assistance benefit, so in case of accident, in case of emergency, for as long as it's unprovoked emergencies or accident, then they are entitled to certain assistance. For instance, the event that they need the ambulance transport, we can transport them for free within 7-kilometer radius. It means that it should be the nearest hospital.
Yes.
Cannot be when you're in Nueva Ecija, you want to be brought to Manila, that's transport already. It's no longer emergency.
Yeah.
So we bring it to the nearest hospital. So that's 1 year. You pay 1,200 pesos. Mura lang, di ba? It's like 100 pesos a month.
Yes.
And then after that, you get, in case of accident, you get ambulance assistance within 7-kilometer radius, one service a year. And then we also get one bag of blood for free once a year. And then for as long as you're an active member. And then in case of accidental death, so death by accident, you get 300,000 pesos. Not really bad at all, for 1,200 contribution.
Yes.
And then in case of you're hospitalized, you get 200 pesos a day, daily hospital benefit for maximum of 2 days, as long as you're confined in the hospital. And then you get also medical reimbursement of 10,000 pesos and 5,000 pesos for the burial assistance. So, this can really help our kabayan because wala pa tayong insurance culture in the Philippines. So, if we do this, that will be covered, by these benefits.
Yes.
So, the money that we raise here, like what you're asking, how it will complement the work of our volunteers? We can send our volunteers for training. We can equip them with assets, equipment that they need, and then we can deploy them to any emergency or disaster situation. It can help us, the Red Cross, continue our work for the public.
Well, Doc Pang, you bring up a very interesting point here because some people might compare this to different medical coverages, especially from insurance. And I just want to clarify, based on the graphic that we saw a while ago, it is underwritten by Prudential in terms of
Yes,
yung
potential
insurance po
guarantee.
ninyo. Yes
Yes.
po.
So the insurance component of it is to be covered by Prudential Guarantee, which is actually one of the top insurance companies in the Philippines.
And
We're very proud to partner with them.
you know, we talk about the need for insurance here in the country, and of course, this practically functions as insurance in a way for only 1,200 a year. When you compare it to the traditional medical insurances that we do see, there's bound to be some comparison po. And when we consider the point that you made that wala pa tayong culture of insurance here, at least on a wide scale basis, just how important is this to at least start helping educate people about the need to keep yourself safe, especially with the amount of disasters we have been affected with recently?
Yes, right. You know, Paulo, this is like a win-win thing. It's a really, I would say, even if you only have 1,200 pesos, you're able to help our kababayan because the resources will also go to helping people in need, right? At the same time, in case you are the one in need, then you can get also something back. So, yan yung benefits natin. So, that is, the difference is, this is not a health insurance. This is an accident insurance, which is the work really linked to the work of the Red Cross. Then we are always there for people in case of emergencies and accidents.
Yeah.
So this is an accident assistance benefit.
So just a good clarification there na hindi po siya medical insurance but rather more
This
accident
is on
insurance.
reimbursement na basis.
So when we look at the fact that you mentioned it a while ago, it's going to act as a fundraiser as well for yung volunteers in terms of yung training and ensuring that they're well supplied. We also have to look at the real life implications so far here. Have there been situations that you can point out wherein this card has already made a direct impact on the lives of people?
Yeah.
Do we have any numbers, especially with the
Right.
coverage so far?
Okay, Paolo, this is not the first time we have been doing this membership assistance benefit program for the past I think more than 20 years. And we have been, this has helped a lot of people. It's just that only this time we're really promoting this because many people actually they're saying they do not know about this. But we're doing this nationwide and we have lots of members already. So we have more than 2 million members nationwide. So this is not only the SafeCard, we have other products as well. So we have for school children, yung 60 pesos, we have 150, we have 300, 500, 1,000. But what make it different from this one, the SafeCard, this is actually, this has the ambulance and blood support component,
Yes.
which the other products do not have. That's why we're really promoting this big time so that people can avail of the services. Kasi Paolo, we're running 190 ambulances nationwide. So these funds will also go to supporting our ambulance service operation. And like last year, 37,000 of people we help on the road actually were given free ambulance services out of 38,000 responses we had. So this one will also go to that support, no? Helping our kababayan, no? So whatever you give to the membership program, nakatulong ka na, ka-beneficio ka pa. This is a very good way, of helping our kababayan. At the same time, you're also supporting or helping yourself.
Doc Pang, where can our viewers or anyone interested actually apply for this and, of course, be able to look at more of the benefits and read up on it?
Thank you, Paula. So they can go to our website or they can go to our Facebook page. So the Facebook page is in there. They can see SafeCard. That one on the screen, you can see the QR code. You just scan the QR code and it will bring you to the registration or registration platform. In that platform, you can register your name, all other details, and then you pay online, and you can get your card activated. So you can get physical card, you can also get it online.
Doc Pang, for those who are still on the fence about actually availing of this card, the SafeCard, or what message do you have for them as you're trying to have that push for more people to avail of the
Yes.
service?
So, be a Red Cross member. It's actually the law that we encourage people to be a Red Cross member are under R 10072, the law that created the Philippine Red Cross. And we would like to encourage you to be part of it, a big campaign program, so that allow the Philippine Red Cross to help our kababayans. And then in the event that we want to visit our offices, you can go to the nearest Red Cross chapter in your area, or you can call this number that on the screen. And these are the registration steps, no, to be a member of the Philippine Red Cross.
Ms. Pang, thank you so much for joining us this morning and telling us all
Paulo,
about the SafeCard. We really appreciate
yeah.
your time.
Thank you, Paulo. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is Dr. Gwendolyn Pang, the Secretary General of the Philippine Red Cross. Thank you so much again for joining us this morning.